Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to sign out your Google account or verify your phone number but are not receiving the verification code, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through all the possible reasons this can happen and morely important how to fix it step by step. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Check your mobile signal. Make sure you have strong network reception. If you are in a low signal area, move a spot with better coverage. Poor signal can delay or completely block SMS messages. Solution 2. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Do Not Disturb can block incoming messages without you noticing. Here's how to turn it off. Swipe down to open the control center. Here look for the option Do Not Disturb. Make sure it's turned off. If it's on, turn it off. Solution 3. Check your SMS inbox and block numbers. A full inbox or block senders might be culprit. Open the Messages app. Tap on your profile icon. Go to Spam and Block option. Tap Blocked Numbers. Unblock Google's SMS sender if it's here. Also delete all messages if your inbox is full. Solution 4. Try voice call verification. Google often gives you the option to receive voice call instead of a text. Tap on Try Another Way or call instead when requesting the code. Make sure your phone is not on silent so you can answer the call. And that's it. One of these solutions should help you to receive that verification code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.